Hi, Saghafi, Liberty Home Mortgage. And the question of the day that I'm doing this video on is, are manufactured homes hard to finance? Now, there's three terms I want to bring you up to speed with, which, by the way, I'll answer the question and you'll jump off my video. You better not jump off the video. You've got to subscribe to my YouTube page. You got to like and comment on it, and you got to share it on your page, especially if you're a real estate agent anywhere in the United States, because this stuff applies all over the place, okay? But there's three terms with manufactured homes that you want to become acquainted with, okay? One is a manufactured home, one is a mobile home, one is a modular home. Manufactured and mobile are interchangeable, okay? When somebody says, Khash, it's a mobile home, okay, it's manufactured. Somebody says, Khash, it's a manufactured home, it's manufactured, okay? And you could say it's mobile. I just say manufactured. When somebody says, Khash, it's modular, okay, slow down now, okay? Modular homes are put together on site. Manufactured / mobile homes are driven on wheels. They drive down the highway by you, and the thing's on wheels. They take it to the site. They take off the wheels. They take off the axles. They drop it onto a foundation, and that's the end of that one, okay? There's nothing to put together. There's a few things to put together, but ultimately, it's not constructed on site. There is a huge difference between manufactured and modular, okay? Modular is treated as a regular stick-built home, okay? So modular, if it's truly modular, that's normal, okay? Manufactured, different story. So for a manufactured home, here are some of the general pointers you want to stick to. And if you're a real estate agent watching this, which you should be watching all of my videos, write these down, okay? Number one, it could not have been built before June 15th, 1976. I was asked that question recently of, Khash, what's so important about that date? Simple, they changed all the safety standards and things like that, okay? So there were big changes, and ultimately, June 15th, 1976, it cannot be built before then. Now, if you say to me, Khash, well, what if it was? Can it get financed? It can. You have to go to a very non-traditional type of financing and say hello to God knows a 20% interest rate. Okay, those types of loans are, it's like a car loan. It's just getting an auto loan, okay? But one thing is, cannot be built before June 15th, 1976. Point number two, you must own the land. This is for traditional FHA, VA, USDA conventional financing, okay? You must own the land. It cannot be in a park or in a lot that you rent, not for traditional financing. I probably should I start this whole video over? No, I'm not starting this video over, okay? Not going to, but for what I'm talking about in this video and the purpose of this video, I'm talking about conventional financing, FHA, VA, and USDA financing. That's what I'm talking about. If you go find a trailer in a mobile home park or something like that, can you get financing? Yes, it's like getting a car loan, okay? That's all it is, all right? For traditional financing, you have to own the land. Point number three, it must be tied down to the land. It has to be on what's called a permanent foundation, okay? And it's got to be tied down. I've had them, as a matter of fact, where it's not tied down. It's got to be tied down. You have to own the land. Point number four, it could only have been moved from the dealership to the location it sits. It could not have been moved twice, okay? It could not have been moved twice. So from the dealership to there. And the last point I'm going to share to you, and I'm going to wind this sucker down because then you got to go into just the lending guidelines themselves, is that you need to have the HUD tags on it. It's got to have the HUD tags. HUD tags are like your VIN number on a car. The HUD tags are typically located under the kitchen sink or by the electrical panel, okay? That's typically where the HUD tags are. It is illegal to remove the HUD tags. I wonder if it's illegal, like I've always heard like you can't remove the little thing that sticks off of a mattress on a bed or something like that. But you are not supposed to remove the HUD tags, but you've got to get the HUD tags. It has to have the HUD tags. If it doesn't have the HUD tags because somebody ripped them off of it, we can actually, or the lender could actually order them. You don't always get them, but you could also order them if you can't find them. But that is point number 5 of the key points of a manufactured home. Are they hard to finance? They're not really hard to finance as long as you hit those points there. If you hit those points there, the rest of the loan is It's the loan. It's not hard. But as always, if you need help with any of this stuff, you call me because I'm licensed in 45 states and I know what I'm doing. Like, share, and comment on these videos, and we'll catch you on the next one.